Hello guys, and welcome back to George Basics. In this very short video update, I will be showing you how to buy Midjourney subscription. You just need to have a Discord account and you just need to follow me. I'll show you step by step how to do it. So first of all, you just need to enter to this website, which is called midjourney.com. This is Midjourney's website. I will leave the link in the description. To buy the subscription, you just need to click join the beta button here, and it automatically redirects you to the official Discord page of Midjourney. I already joined this server, so I'm not going to join again, and I will remind you that if you are new to Midjourney and if you join to their Discord server, they will gift you the free trial, which means you can make 25 free images with Midjourney. So with help of this free trial, you can test the Midjourney, and if you like it, you can buy the subscription plans. Now I'll show you how to buy it. Here you can see there are plenty of Discord rooms. You can join one of them, for example this one, trial support. Go to this Discord room. To buy the subscription, you should write this comment / subscribe. Click this Midjourney icon here and click enter, and here you will see this link, open subscription page. Just click this and go to your browser. Here on this page you will see that there are two types of billing, yearly and monthly. You can choose one of them. For example, if you choose the yearly billing, you will save about 20% because it costs $8 per month. But if you are going to buy Midjourney and pay monthly, you should pay $10 per month, guys. So to buy the plan, you just need to click the subscribe button. For example, this one, basic plan. There are also different plans. You should check all of the information about these plans before you buy it. So you will move to this page. You just need to enter your email address. It does not matter if this email is used on your Discord account. You can enter any email here. Choose the payment method, for example card. Enter the card information. You can use Visa, MasterCard, American Express and other cards. Also enter the name on the card, enter your country and region, guys. Look all of the information again. If everything is correct, just click the subscribe button and you will buy the Midjourney subscription, guys. This is very simple. If you will have some questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this channel. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We need your support. Thank you and see you in the next video.